Cathay 821 Hong Kong radar, clear Sierra 7 Bravo arrival, report passing for level.
Sierra 7 Bravo arrival, we are passing for level 253 at the moment, Cathay 821.
Cathay 821, you identified.
821.
China Eastern 9797, descend to 5,000 feet. Cathay 821, AFM Sierra 7 Bravo arrival, runway 25 right.
Sierra 7 Bravo 25 right, Cathay 821.
Air China 419, contact approach 119.1. Clear RB 3 Bravo arrival. While following the preceding traffic on make a right turn heading 120. For 3 radar vector for sequence, turn left heading 240. Cathay 821 and on passing for level 130, speed 250 knots.
Passing 130, 250 knots, Cathay 821. 0 miles, right on check.
Scooter 101, standby.
Scooter 101.
Right hand turn, outbound leg 1 minute, reduce now to minimum clean and maintain flight level 220.
Level 220 and hold at, appreciate that. Confirm right or left, elevation 376.
Right hand turn.
Elevation 376.
China Eastern 722, climb and maintain flight level 160, unrestricted.
Climb and maintain flight level 160, unrestricted. 036, contact IT 129 at decimal 1.
097, to flight level 250.
China 78097, climb to flight level 320.
Climb to flight level 320, China 78097. Rated 831, good afternoon.
Traffic Jet 831, go ahead.
Maintain flight level 380, take care of.
Traffic Jet 831, roger. Air China 825, report your speed. 6,000 feet.
1.
185 or greater, Air China 825.
Target Jet 821, contact Sanya 122.6.
Radar China Eastern 546, flight level 350, heading 050.
China Eastern 546, Hong Kong radar identified, heading approved, and clear weather direct castle.
050 approved, 1 clear for weather direct to Castle, China Eastern 546. Hong Kong radar, good afternoon, China Eastern 7705, maintain 1,400 meters, clock 1057.
China Eastern 7705, Hong Kong radar identified.
China Eastern 7705, request heading 195.
China Eastern 7705, approved.
Thank you.
Taisha 762, contact radar 123, decimal 905.
Let me check.
Shuttle 638, departure identified, climb via SID to 9,000 feet.
Macau Shuttle 638.
Macau 612, contact radar 133.82. 133.82 radar.
500 meters, reach by Tamil.
Descend to 4,500 meter to at Tamon, Vietnam 502.
Gesture 6001, contact radar 123, decimal 905.
3905, Gesture 60. 180 your grade, Cathay 600.
551,707, turn left.
Approved.
Confirm heading 250 approved.
China Eastern 60499, firm heading 250, approved.
Thank you. 250.
Cathay 250, you identified, clear Sierra 7 Bravo arrival.
Sierra 7 Bravo arrival, Cathay 250, thank you.
Weather.
Air China 825, confirm.
Confirm, request heading 230 to weather.
Air China 825, approved.
China 825. 10 feet, speed 280, operator Celsius 762. Into 50 knots.
Station, KNH 1008, squawk 5234.
30. Feature 5428, roger. Stand by. 5, 5.2, go clear with us. Scooter 13225, Bohemia 775.
Air Macau 9995, descend Alpha level 120, reach by Cotton.
Level 120 by Cotton, Macau 9995. I clear weather, liquid Ikila.
Thai 645, clear, direct Ikela.
Directing Ikila, thank you, Thai 645. 110.
Chamonix 681, Hong Kong radar, runway 34, information kilo, expect ILS Zulu approach.
Runway 34, LS approach Zulu, Chamonix clear run.
Vietnam 431 heading.
Not doing. 1,500 meters, channel 1030 to maintain.
Thank you. Release, approved. Channel 705, continue descent 0110, cross Mary, level 130, order.
Contact radar 12875.
Speed restriction.
Speed restriction, say 601, thank you. 701. Nice, 501,
Up. Continue. Climb flight level 6,900 meters, expedite climb through flight level 110, Chinese and 5016.
Climb through 2,900 meters, next time, cutting 110. Hong Kong radar, EVA 802, engine 7,700, climb 9,000 feet, 15302.
EVA 802, Hong Kong.
After which,
Hotel 19 Delta, Hong Kong information. Good afternoon, QNH 1008.
Good afternoon, QNH 1008. We are tracking to Qingzhou, ETA 0610, QB21, Hotel 19 Delta.
Hotel 19 Delta, Roger, Qingzhou 0610, QB21.
Airphone Hotel 19.
Flight clear, Canto 3, Bravo, arrival.
Crossing altitude.
Crossing 1,400 feet,
Reykjavik 538, identify climb via seat flight level 160, cancel Vanpool altitude restriction.
Alright, climb via seat 160 and cancel Vanpool altitude restriction, Reykjavik 538. 2, KC 780 bus. 1235, China Eastern 501. I'm 701. Number is 928, 923. Radar good at that time. 2, telemetry 70, score 1635. Request weather initiation 25 mile Lima 3.
So speed restrictions. Level not available. Flight level 320 final.
Over there at climb to flight level 320 for final, channel 1039.
8 contact radar 128.75.
12875, recap 188. Thank you. Korean Air 342, heading 020, flight level 330.
Korean Air 342, Hong Kong radar identified. 0 on reaching traffic below.
Roger, maintain follow 170, reaching tank cruiser 8. Heading 150 knots for greater 737, we're setting 095 to avoid weather after Murray.
Hong Kong Shuttle 737, now track direct to Murray and next flight pass flight level 130.
Got it. Murray and set up
Last flight 393, and plan for runway 25 left. Track direct to Eco.
Ready, taxi there. Proceed, to Eco, 356. Flight level 250, link cabin 53. Time out restricted, flight level 1 policy, Lieutenant 508. Departure time 356, direct to Pico.
Roger, thank you, China 7356.
356.
Zero direct descent to 4,500 feet, maintain speed 210 knots or greater.
Descent 4,500, maintain 210 knots or greater. Delta 6, 49, good afternoon, flight level 380 on heading, thank you for 958. Over that high, thank you for
20.
Left heading 320, Mountain 0705.
The one frequency, please call back the previous one.
Copy.
1,200 meters by depot.
65 into Charlie Bravo heading. Roger, heading to 65, holding 1847.
Okay, not for 1847, confirm for level 360, heading 265.
Holding 1847.
1847, heading 265 up.
Roger, heading to 65, holding 1847.
Hi, 623, say again.
623, flight 340, squawk 3755.
Hi, 623, identify.
623.
Cafe 948, confirm calling.
Climb, flight level 350, heading 090, heading 420.
Malaysia 018 firm.
Roger, stay with your frequency, channel 8301. Zero dividend.
Malaysian 610 to heading 360 up.
360 Malaysian 610, thank you.
Malaysian 6102, descend now, flight level 320.
Level 320 Malaysian 610.
Victor.
Level 320, channel 8301. 601.
5601, reach 1,600 meters, 2 miles before Seco.
1,600 meters, 2 miles before Seco, Mexico 393, descending level 190.0. Thank you, level 6,900 meters, no speed control, no 1152.
Proceed direct run to standby for Nova.
Direct ramp to shuttle 767.
Shuttle 155 to Ava.
Zero, thank you, level 6,900 meters, well, thank you.
Cafe 750, radar contact, clear, can hold 3 Bravo right.
Level 110.
Murray, 10, star.
260.
Malaysian 6102.
Cafe 6, correction, Cafe 766. Cafe 766, descend for level 260, reached by Maple.
66.
588, descend for level 120, reach by Cotton.
Bravo 120, everything by Cotton, Bamboo 958.
Thai 668, descend for level 320.
010.
Thai 668, descend for level 320. 9,000 feet.
156, 9,000.
For level 310.
Send for level 310, Thai 668.
Training contact radar 127841.
Radar 127, decimal 1, station 373. 02. Hong Kong Victor Papa Bravo Tango Victor request heading 360 to avoid weather.
Victor Tango Victor, heading 360 approved.
Heading 360 approved Victor Tango Victor. Small 5, use call sign only. 1195 with the call sign, copy 90.
1008, lift is approved, report of
30 reach in 9 minutes, Malaysian 6102.
3 negative not for you. Cafe 973. Go. Radar 1265.
5973. Thai 6 again. 064 3417.
Ribbon 31 identified, stand by for Doha, C2X0 not for greater.
Australia will post 31.
Right hand 1521, contact radar 123 decimal 47.
Radar 123 decimal 47, radar 1521. Good day. Radar 19 request heading 50.
Change at 919, heading 250, approved.
250, radar 919. Victor 1521, climb for level 200. Climb for level 200, Victor 1521.
China Southern 3039, contact Senya 130 decimal 2.
130 decimal 2, have a good day, China Southern 3039, bye bye.
188, contact radar, contact radar 1263.
1263, Victor Tango Victor.
Radar, Absolute ID 34 minute Bravo 370 deviation 20 miles EMA side and right side.
China CH34 radar, contact 20 miles Lima or...
Yeah, Betty 3 Alpha, Betty 3 Bravo, rifle charger center.
Cafe 110, Hong Kong.
Malaysian 6102 heavy, good afternoon, level 130, reading 335.
Malaysian 6102, good day, runway 25 left, descend to 9,000 feet, Q1H 1008.
Rocket Cafe 928. Cafe 928, confirm it's not restricted climb.
Cafe 928, again, climb unrestricted to level 110.
Pressure 1 restricted, final 110, Cafe 928. So descend via air left transition, Hong Kong 599. Oh, 700, if we can take 50 if you want.
Heading 245, heading 245.
245, shuttle 700. 712, request mode 2.
Falcon 712 approved.
Thank you, Falcon 712.
Heading 180.
Listening 180, kilometer 7.
834 request, radar deviation up to 40 mile Romeo side.
Pilot H3440 miles, Romeo Sky approved.
Romeo Sky approved, 9334.
Philippines 319 heading 235 approved.
Heading 235, Singapore 669. Hong Kong report 847, heading 240.
All Nippon 847 and contact radar 12532 with your request.
12532, all Nippon 847. 0, Manila 605. Cathay 948, descend to 6,000 feet.
Reduce speed now to 230 knots.
30 knots, master press speed.
Bangkok Air X05, reduce speed to 230 knots.
India 30 knots, X05. Just another request, 10 mile.
Cathay 919 heading 100 approved.
Heading 100 approved, Cathay 919.
702, contact radar 121.3.
Tango 4 Alpha arrival.
Only offer you 25 miles to Lima side, cancel 7.
Tower 51, heading 1350 units.
Bracca 1521 heading 135 approved.
Heading 135, return 1521.
Contact radar 126.3.
Left heading 330, reduce speed to 180.
Left heading 330.
Hong Kong Shuttle 173, proceed direct to run 2.
Direct run to Hong Kong Shuttle 173.
Cathay 766, after run 2, descend 5 hour memory transition.
After run 2, auto transition, Cathay 766.
Hong Kong Shuttle 173, after run 2, descend 5 hour memory transition.
At run 2, descend by the on station, Hong Kong Shuttle 173. We're 222, descending flight level 190, smoke code 1703, and we are estimating the Sierra 7 Delta arrival.
Delta 796 identified. Cathay 608, turn left, proceed direct cancel, rejoin the start.
Direct cancel, rejoin Cathay 608.
Bangkok Air X05, contact approach 119 at decimal 1.
Osmo 190.1, Mega X05. KLM 87, turn left on heading 050. Shuttle 601, good day, descend unrestricted, 9,000 feet, QNH 1008,
Thankfully 9,000 feet, altitude 6 GPS 67.
Master Berliner 612, below 1 Delta departure, 1,800.
Berliner 612, departure identified, climb by set level 160, cancel 9,000 feet to 6.
Clear to flight level 160, cancel 9,000 of the Berliner 612.
Greater, contact tower 118.4, clear. Victor takeoff Victor, currently heading 2953, descend to localizer, clear for ILS approach runway 25 left.
Then heading 95 to intercept localizer, for the ILS approach runway 25 left. 10, try to descend 2.
Take the 7, no further speed control, contact tower 118.7, come on. KLM 87, descend to 4,500.
4,500 kilometers.
Climb unrestricted, flight level 120.
Climb unrestricted, climbing level 1. Flight level 200.
China 7388, Hong Kong departure.
7388. Switch my beam by 5.
Stand for level 2.
Roger, descend to flight level 290, final level, recap 236. Direct heavy. Direct heavy, thank you so much, Roger.
Contact director, 119.05, use contact only. 119.45, contact EPS 1. 7 Cathay, dispatch, Cathay. EPS 1. EPS 167, Concord, Cathay, descend to 4005, retrieve. 4500, EPS 167. 0.
110, Roger, now 370. Thank you, recap 236.
Hong Kong radar, Peter 175, maintaining flight level 320 on...
Taking flight level Singapore 798.
Flight level 130, reach in 8 minutes, reduce speed to 60 knots.
Okay, step level 130, reach 8 minutes and speed. 5 on taxi speed 175.
Moscow 330, reduce speed to 180 knots.
Speed 180, that's Moscow 330.
Contact director, 119.5, use contact only.
1195, contact only, Cathay 110. 007.
7, come on.
Director Cathay 110.
Cathay 110, direct Cathay, descend to 4005, retrieve.
And 4,500 feet, Cathay 110.
To Hong Kong radar, clear at Sierra 7 Delta arrival. Report your passing level and score code.
Okay, clear the Sierra 7. We are passing level follow 25, squawk 6231, Everest 382.
Right, trying to identify.
189 left to phase.
Elation 2007 radar, expect IM.
Emirates 9781, turn right alley. Right FedEx alley, Emirates 9781.
14, request heading 220 for 10 miles.
So either 5 right turn left heading 130 now.
So, misapproach, can you follow the standard misapproach procedure for 25 left?
IFAM, Cathay 256.
256, roger.
Be right now.
Shanghai 471 Hong Kong radar. Roger.
Cathay 919, upbeat Norman, contact radar 119, that's 13.
Upbeam Nomad, contact 11903, Cathay 919. Director, descend 5,500.
5,500 feet, Malaysia 605.
Cathay 608 from Topaz, clear eyes approach from 25 right.
From Topaz, clear down, 25 right, Cathay 608.
Up to 3030 left at the moment. Can you limit your deviation up to 40 left Abim EPCO?
Good afternoon, Ashina 732 heading 07
770, maintain full level 330.
Station 732 Hong Kong radar, identify, copy heading.
Continue heading Athena 732. Flanker 471, we can maintain maximum of 30 miles of Mimikela.
Sri Lanka 471, roger. Any heading you want, Mimikela 30 left.
Any heading and Mimikela 30 left, Sri Lanka 471, thank you. On radar Express. On previous radar heading 210.
Express cargo 862, climb to flight level 320.
Level 320, Express cargo 862.
Chamonix 8646, contact radar 132.15.
Contact radar 8356, level 40, and 0 weather.
Dynasty 35, roger. Dynasty 35 for planning, are you ready for climb now? Dynasty 35, climb to flight level 400. Express wing 606, contact radar 128.75.
475, Express wing 606, good day.
Eval 6001, Hong Kong radar.
Can you expedite past flight level 130?
Excellent, Buzzer, flight 130, Cathay 751.
Singapore 883 past 1000. Singapore 883 departures, good afternoon. Identified, climb via seat to 8,000 feet. Climb at 8,000 feet. 4,500 feet.
4,500 feet, 125 left, Singapore 798.
79, continue heading 150, please.
Continue heading 150, we'll let you know when we're available right turn, Cathay 779.
Cathay 779, roger. Reno 162, contact director 1195, here's the call, San Jose, bye-bye.
Director 119, goodbye, call sign only, Emily 162, please.
Zero, reach level in 4 minutes.
Director, Bohemia 162.
Bohemia 162, director, and left heading 350.
Left turn heading 350, Bohemia 162.
872, cross Canto, flight level 160 or below.
Castle 160 below, Hong Kong Shuttle 9872.
6 Hong Kong radar. Hong Kong runway changing to 07. We clear the Canto 3 Alpha arrival.
Clear at social radio contact.
Left turn heading 30, clear Alice, push to 5 left, Singapore 798.
29 speed.
Request for the climb.
Yamane 8051, follow 4340.
Master flight level 320, Xiamen 8705. Back at 271, for the right heading 230. 330.
Direct cab 271, turn right heading 230, climb, follow 4390. Roger, heading 0905, approved. Malaysia 073, departures, good afternoon. You identified, climb via seat to 9,000 feet.
Are you able to check direct me now?
Above Chinese 9798.
Chinese 9798, check direct me, resume on navigation.
Just the local Chinese 9798.
Chinese 9798, are you looking for higher level 350? Hong Kong Shuttle 851, Hong Kong Shuttle 851, Sensing, descend now for level 340.
Climb to level 140, cancel altitude restrictions.
Cancel level 140, cancel altitude restrictions and final 8.
Copy your request, climb for level 513, red ready, descend for level 260, reach by NPAD, speed 300 knots. Entry for level 110.
Morley, Legion Star, descend number 110, VHN 986.
VHN 986 and speed 230 knots.
Speed 230, VHN 986.
On the Shuttle 761, reduce speed to 250 knots, descend to flight level 170.
250 knots, descend flight level 170, Hong Shuttle 761.
VHN 986, contact approach 119 and decimal 1.
Contact approach 1191, VHN 986.
For my planning, do you want to deviate to the left or right of track?
We are deviating up to 25 miles left of track, Singapore 832.
Singapore 32, Roger, clear direct Dumo, and report when you require further left.
Direct Dumo, Singapore 832.
Spin up 593.
Steer the right turn alarm, copy
9872, flighting
Qatari 8,
425, when ready, increase speed to 250 knots.
When ready, increase speed to 250. Final 200.
Runway 425, Hong Kong radar today, climb to flight level 250.
I'm level 250, sorry, 425. Flight level 380, squawking 3457.
Cathay 184 Hong Kong radar, identify clear Betty 3 Alpha arrival.
Clear Betty 3 Alpha arrival, Cathay 184.
119.5, here's your call sign only, bye-bye.
118.5, was that only?
Just confirm 1195.
1195, thank you.
Shandong 4631, sliding 270, descent 4,500 feet.
Descent 4,500 feet, left.
Then 3012, cancel speed restriction, climb to flight level 6,900 meters.
Cancel speed restriction, climb to 6,900 meters, transfer 3012.
Director, and descend to 3,000 meters, fly heading 345.
Heading 5,000.
Channel Eastern 505, contact tower 118.47.
Radar, Malaysian 73, about 80 miles.
Roger.
Deviating 30 miles right here, radar.
94744 to radar contact, deviate 30 miles right on track approved.
Singapore, Hong radar, TJ 2262, now clear radar, ticket direct company.
TJ 2262, track direct cap please.
Direct company, TJ 2262.
China 109, turn left heading 030.
Left heading 0.
And Eastern 733, turn right on heading 040, clear as approach runway 39.
Cathay 184.
Level 310, stand by for high.
Level 310, stand by for high.
Eva 266, can you track to Kevley?
Next Hong Kong radar contact, clear MB4 Alpha arrival.
Call radar, report squawk code and passing level.
Station 77, passing 229, squawking E116, requesting 2050 weather.
Malaysia 377, Hong Kong radar identified. Can you accept deviation after Sierra?
Victory 35, next one. The deviation request heading 240.
Dynasty 39, up to heading 240.
Heading 240, that's C396.
Dynasty 39 and maintain present level final level in Hong Kong.
Roger, Dynasty 396. Hong Kong radar, Malaysian 377, approaching level 250. Request heading 210 divided.
Malaysian 377 heading 210 up to and climb to flight level 320, stand by higher.
Heading 210 proof, climb level 320, Malaysian 377. On the radar, 17, flight level 3.
Southern 717, roger.
652. Radar, about 218, flight level 370, offset 40 mile right of track.
Multiple station, first EVA 218 Hong Kong radar, identify break cavity 652 Hong Kong radar, identify and clear Betty 3 Alpha arrival. Report when able direct cancel.
Betty 3 Alpha arrival and Cathay 652, will go.
Malaysian 073, contact Sanya 122.6.
That's in 500 feet in the air, 9 or 1.
Can 754 low direct 107 left, descent unrestricted 80,000 feet, QNH 1007.
Runway direct and
Cathay 500, contact climb Palamo 330.
Palamo 330.
Maximum speed to 80 knots approved.
Maximum to 80 knots approved.
Channel 463, 19 director, descend to 3000. Cathay 635, cancel speed restrictions.
Cancel speed restriction, 635. Corner.
Shandong 4631, descend to 2000. Cathay 439, hello, information to is correct, 1007 left, descend via star 6000 feet, QNH 1007. Trainer 175, turn right heading 270.
Runway 07, Cathay 770.
Cathay 773, contact Sanya 122.6.
Contact Sanya 122.6, Cathay 773, good day. Cathay 652, tracking the red car, so.
Roger.
184, flight level 3100, speed light.
Cathay 184, at the moment negative speed restriction.
Cathay 184. Requesting higher.
Negative, Qatar info 25, current level, final level.
Cathay 635, roger. Hey. Direct, firing.
Turn back 7 o'clock.
Direct, firing, Cathay.
Speed to 80 knots.
Alpha 021, already speed to 80, control 94.
Tiver 9702, contact Guangzhou 125.35.
Contact Guangzhou 125.35, Tiver 702.
China Southern 8047, climb to flight level 290. EFA 385.
Okay, 160, climbing now, SIG, and speed 280 knots, should 86 jets.
60, go ahead. Approved.
Radcap 1899. 10, proceed direct to Southern.
5965 level 210, direct to Southern, recap 189.
Also, departure recap 8549 and passing 2000 for 5000 feet on ticket 3 X-ray departure.
Recap 8549, Hong Kong departure identified. Climb via SID to flight level 160.
Climb via SID to flight level 160, recap 8549.
Stand Cal 109, contact radar 123, decimal 905.
Contact Sanya 130. Caution Sanya 122 decimal 6. Delta 24 climb flight level 310.
Now level 310, visualize. Level 210.
Airbus 188 Hong Kong radar clear Sierra 7 Alpha arrival confirm squawk 7560.
From 7560 to 7 Alpha from 26.
Airbus 188 identified. China Eastern 2067.
Go ahead, China Eastern 2067.
China Eastern 2067 Hong Kong radar clear Sierra 7 Alpha arrival continue present heading for descent.
Continue maintain present heading and follow.
Radar 127 decimal 10
101, release 188.
Victor Tango Victor will decline flight level 3505.
3000. 3000, Kelly 184. Pressure 133, 1,500 feet. 500 feet, 1. Cathay 770, maintain 200 knots, grade down. 200 knots, Cathay 770. Say again, China Eastern 2067.
QNH now 1006. All station QNH 1006, QNH 1006.
230, Cathay 70.
Hotel 97, Foxtrot.
Check 180 now.
Your call sign again.
Cathay 719.
Cathay 719, what heading to 1?
3180.
Up to.
Proof 719.
On radar, Thai 669 heavy, heading 190, 5250.
Thai 669, Roger.